Oh, I stuck my finger in his belly button, dude. It's all sweaty in there. There's probably some like new civilization in there, dude.
We open all the cupboards and doors.
Oh my god.
Yes, we're doing it.
Oh my, this looks freaking weird. Alright.
Okay guys, Ryan just got, Ryan has... Ryan has extra posters, Justin Bieber posters, because he had them hung up right above his bed in his room. We took them down and we're gonna hang these up in Carter's room. As soon as he walks in, dude. As soon as he walks in, he's gonna see it.
Whoa, I'm taking the centerpiece.
Are you serious? For what purpose?
Hanging out in my room.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah, it's a watch, dude.
Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it.
Yeah, it's like faces.
So something is wrong with it, obviously. We're gonna try to save it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, though.
Pick it up and eat it.
It's scary, dude. You were so... Wait a minute. It flew all the way over there.
It was hurt like 10 minutes ago.
Okay, I think it's baiting us, dude.
Oh, it reeks.
I haven't washed in a couple days.
So close.
Freaking trash.
Here, shoot it. It's yours. Go.
Ah, I still got a whole full car.
Go.
I will when
Go.
I will.
Go.
I won't have it.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, wait, the whole ground's vibrating. Let's not really stop.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you dead serious?
It's going again.
Actually?
Yeah. Dude, holy crap, it's going again.
No, it's not.
It's because you're walking.
I didn't even realize it.
That flew over your head.
I didn't even.
You're serious? And then, dude, it's going again. No way.
Ew! Ryan, did you freaking poop on the fence, dude? Holy crap!
I'm just like, oh.
Yeah. How did they poop on the fence?
We like plastered the fence. We like shot it.
He shot it on the fence. Oh, he hung up the clock. He hung it up. It's always gonna be 6-9.